Then do with me what you will.
And the human heart refrain from partaking in her pain, in that mother's pain untold. Oh, to Jesus I surrender. Oh, to Him I freely give.